Nahu, nahu, nahu. Oh, nahu, nahu, nahu. Oh, nahu, nahu, nahu. Nahu, nahu, nahu. Nahu. Nahu, nahu, nahu. Hey. Oh, nahu, nahu, nahu. Hey, nahu, nahu, nahu. Nahu, nahu, nahu. Oh. Hello, United Medical Center. Hello, United Medical Center. Hello, United Medical Center. Awe them gatono, cameraman. Now who? Now who? Now who? Oh, now who? Now who? Now who? Now who? Now who? Oh, my son can't walk. I'm going to say what they. Therefore, tell me, say not be this side they do. Say na for front this thing. Mga an emergency. I'm an emergency. Ebe awu ebe nde nwere okre mgbawishi na nde case had it so fragile. Therefore, tell me, explain them to me very well. Security man, I'm glad. Yeah, you want to yes. Nga ulo wuta. Ha lekwe nwanyi mo lelem. This year, I'm having. I can't wait to the car gauge. You were Takoma. I would Akoma so good. You will take on our cordial. Woo! I give it to you because I am equal ready to the task. Another come near, another come not very correct. Oh, baby. Gabriel and Babu. Hey. Hey, yeah. I don't know. Anybody that erected this edifice. I got a ma I brought a good log, I brought a la. Manakubo, you brought a young guy, ya happy, or the about 4. Oh, Massum, hello. Oh, my co-worker.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
You can see, I am all right, am I? Aren't I all right?
Who are you, please? Who are you?
Oh, who I am? Well, I am who I am. My name, first of all, my name na midwife Nwanyi Imo, and I am, in fact, midwife Nwanyi Imo for short.
How may I help you?
Oh, you cannot help me. I am here to help you people. There's no help you can give to me. I am here to help you people.
How?
I like that question. Everybody used to ask it how. Anyway, never by the way. The other day I was going to Afromac. I was inside the bus. So as I was about to go into Maka, we passed this place. I saw this signboard. Olu
United Medical Center.
United Medical Center. Everybody inside the vehicle where I was. Everybody was echoing it. People will erect this hospital here. This hospital is heaven on earth. This hospital is very beautiful. God has brought a place, a saving center for us. The woman will do this and her husband. He go better for them. People just they pray all kinds of prayer. I asked the neighbor where are they, even though the woman know too well. I asked him. She said, Nadia, some of his brothers when they don't carry come here since 2 months when they open here. So now so the sickness back. Say everything where they take work here. Now from America. Now American standard. I still believe we're proud to let you know. So I'm going to since my certificate and on our motor. I can't go dust my certificate. Say make I come here, I collect your work because
So what's your qualification?
Where did
you graduate from?
Oh, graduate. And do I need to graduate before I work here?
Yes.
How?
You must attend a nursing school or a university. You must have your certificate and you must have your license to work here, and you must be registered under the Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria to be able to work in this facility.
Definitely. How?
As you can see, this is a standard hospital that was built by Dr. Chika Obaja, and we do a lot of things such as we have the accident and emergency department, we have the obs and gynae, we also have the ambulatory unit. So as you can see, this place is not, we can't stay here, I'm sorry.
How do you mean you can't take me?
Even
you know
you are dressed. Nurses don't dress like this. So why are you dressed like this?
Why not I dress like this? I dress to kill. I dress to kill. If you look me when I was growing, when I was a young girl, I'm a model. Anywhere where I pass, so Tolu Baje boy so Hana come. Up now, there's no name where they call me when I was a young person. So as I'm advancing in nature, I am also look at it. I am already ready to walk here. How you go tell me say I go do this, one, this one, before I go walk here? That's all that they do.
I'm sorry, you can't.
No, you can't be sorry. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Look at this girl, oh. Who even make you nurse here? No, who make you nurse here? I'm not sure the can wait for name where do the guard. Blood and fool up, mama ni bawago. Blood and fool. Must you tell me what to do and where to work and where not to work? When my sister was a midwife,
Sorry, sir, you're disturbing the hospital. The patients are complaining, so please, you have to leave. Please, you have to leave.
Who are you?
Or else I'll call the spirit.
I say, who are you? Not him or else.
Please, you have to leave. You're disturbing the patients. Please. You're becoming a nuisance. Please. Thank you. Please. You have to leave.
Okay, Beke. I'm not going to blame you, culture. I'm making a friend in Therefor. Please. You're disturbing the patient. I will turn you to patient. Your neck will go behind you. 2 weeks, you never get yourself. When I told they let people down for this Nigeria. As me I'm working, they him now. Some qualify. What they can now? Now I'm midwife. I done them when I done them was married at Okodo. I done them now Nwanyi. Any woman welcome to bomb pikin. I done them wrong my way manaka. I done them go carry pikin, come from my hand, you go handle and open. Now from there I learned this work. Him now and I'm my fact him din and wine what I'm with them nation. You only be a guy named who know what you make a problem. Give me a long white, but actually, give the pack. How can you respect? Sorry for your mother. Sorry for yourself. You no longer move. You could be asked to move. You can't be asked to move. Nobody's stagnant in life. Nobody's moving. You want me to move? I move. Nonsense. Oh, as why you want hospital? No here. He will not take time, Ozubo. He will just hire me. Him ga wana only one yabula show more one ile nwa hanga na kampom. Let him ga you talk. Madam them now nwa. Take I this abasa. Piam awra nwa kupi. Unu let amanya look down on me because I yirim ga musu. And nego nya kam na beauty. Mafo kocha woko na patranga. Oh, you could only share lie your watch rituality. Bakuka. Idiot. Oscar no South Dakar, Mungamine Medibia. Where's the wine? You white in Bagagakro, Gongom. Put a fanta, would you win a minute?